안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to Sophia Imo's kitchen. Winter is almost coming, so it's getting a little colder in the morning and night. So we need hot soup to make our body warm. So today we're gonna make a very special noodle soup, which is very popular around the world these days. So guess what? Jara! BTS J-hope's chicken noodles. Chicken noodles. Yay! I'm so shy. Yeah, so in Korean it is called 닭칼국수. So my recipe is very easy version, so it takes just 20 minutes. And it's easy but very delicious. So let's get started. Before watching it, please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. And then I'm gonna do the CNS challenge in the last part of the video. So don't miss it. So let's get it. Chicken noodles. Chicken noodles. Let's get it.
Step 1. Boil the chicken. First, turn on the heat and boil the water for the chicken broth. The water is about 2 liters for 2 persons. Then let's prepare the veggies from now on. We need knife cut noodle and chicken, of course. These are the main characters of this video. And a lot of veggies, you can choose them depending on what you have in the refrigerator. In my case, I prepared 1 potato and half onion and 1/4 zucchini and a little carrot for color, so you can skip it. And then half green onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Second, if the water is boiling, let's put 2 pieces of chicken in the boiling water. Today I bought a chicken breast, but you can use any part of the chicken, any amount of chicken. It's up to you. And third, boil the chicken more than 10 minutes to make a deep flavor of the soup. Step 2, cut the veggies. Cut the 1 potato thinly like noodle shape. And cut half onion thinly, almost same size of potatoes. And slice the small amount of carrot. Carrot is just for color, so you can skip it. But I love the decoration, so I chose this reddish color veggie. And slice 1/4 zucchini thinly. It also can be skipped if you don't have it. And mince 3 cloves of garlic. I like this way of using the blade of knife. It's very convenient. And cut the 1/2 green onion diagonally. Then the veggies are finished. Step 3. Boil noodles. Before putting noodles in the soup directly, take the chicken out to be cut. And then you can rinse the knife-cut noodle with water very gently. Watch out, it can be easily cut. It's just for removing starch attached to the noodles. First, put 1 teaspoon of chicken stock to make the soup more deep flavory. Second, put noodles in the pot and boil for about 2 minutes. Actually, to cook knife-cut noodles completely, it takes 5 to 6 minutes. And then you need to tear the chicken apart thinly to eat comfortably. Oh, but watch out for your fingers. Chicken is completely hot. You can cool the chicken with the cold water before cutting, or wear your gloves. And fourth, if the chicken is cut well, and put the chicken in the soup again. And 5, put the hard veggies like potatoes and carrots first. And put 1/3 teaspoon of salt, but you can put more salt depending on your taste, of course. And boil them for about 2 minutes more. And finally, put the soft veggies like onions, garlics, and green onions. And boil all the ingredients for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes for the noodle, 2 minutes for the hard veggies, and 2 minutes for the soft veggies. So 6 minutes, that's all. So then it's finished. Looks so yummy. Actually, this 닭칼국수 is good match with fresh kimchi. Have you seen the TV show Hotel Del Luna? The female character Manuel in this Hotel Del Luna said, "What if I really became 닭칼국수 in the next life?" Then the male character Chansang responded like this, "I will become your gochori, which is the fresh kimchi for you." It's so lovely, isn't it? So you can eat 닭칼국수 with gochori. So, and don't forget watching my chicken noodle soup challenge. Actually, I practiced more than 100 times. I just did my best. So if you think it won't live so hard, please give me thumbs up and subscribe. And see you next time. 안녕.